In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Perplexity AI API key efficiently and swiftly. For anyone looking to access Perplexity AI's powerful tools, securing an API key is your first step, and I'm here to guide you through this process seamlessly. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to open Perplexity AI. You can do this by navigating to their website through your preferred web browser. Make sure you have stable internet access to avoid any interruptions along the way. Once you're on the Perplexity AI homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You should see the login option prominently displayed, typically at the top right of the page. Here, you'll need your login credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. There's usually an option to reset it. Now, after logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with several options tailored specifically for managing your account and settings. From the list of options, select API. This is where you'll find all things related to API configuration within Perplexity AI. It's crucial that you choose the correct option here to proceed smoothly. Upon selecting the API option, continue by navigating to the API keys section. This is a dedicated area meant just for managing your API credentials. Here, you'll find functionalities for generating, organizing, and even deleting your API keys. Next, you'll see a button labeled Accept Terms and Generate API Key. Click on it. At this stage, you might encounter a short set of terms and conditions. It's essential to review these terms to ensure you're aligning with Perplexity AI's usage policies. Once reviewed, you can go ahead and accept them. Once you've accepted the terms, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new API key. It's a good practice to use a name that clearly identifies the purpose of your API key, especially if you plan on generating multiple keys. With the name entered, proceed by clicking on the Create Key button. This is the step where your API key will finally be generated. It's almost like watching a small miracle happen as a unique key just for you is created right before your eyes. Finally, and this is crucial, copy the generated API key right away. As APIs are sensitive pieces of information, it's best to store your key securely where you'll be able to refer to it later when needed. Many people opt to use password manager applications for this task. And there you have it. You've successfully generated and secured your Perplexity AI API key, ready to unlock the full potential of their offerings. It's as simple as that. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.